Just say, but feeling me wama. Ah, abaya na I come see. Oh yeah, come out. I look nice. I look nice. I don't wait for anybody to tell me I look nice. I tell myself, I look nice. I look good. Fucking all the time. I don't know what I'm singing. Please forgive me. Okay. The holiday season is here and we also need to glam ourselves up for our special occasions this December, okay? Merry Christmas in advance to you all. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, I'm Jhosfine. Welcome, and we'd love for you to subscribe. Please join the family. We'd love to have you here. Today's video is a holiday makeup tutorial or holiday glam look. This season there are a lot of parties, events and all that, so we're going to create a very glamorous holiday look you can take to all your events. Okay, any event you want to go is going to be very glamorous and very classy that you can take it to your events. So if you're interested in this video, kindly keep on watching. But before we do, I always say subscribe, join the family. We'd love to have you here, and let's go. I want to start off with my brows today, so I'm just going to put some powder there to make it a bit matte. Let's brush our hairs up. I'm using this pencil from Bethmain Beauty. It's a Ghanaian brand anyways. I'm just going to slightly fill in the brow. This is actually supposed to be like an eyeliner, a black eyeliner, but it's not pigmented enough for me to use as a black eyeliner. So I love using it as a brow pencil, and it works just perfectly for me. If you guys want like a full detailed brow tutorial, just comment below and I'll be glad to do that for you. Let me quickly do this off camera. I'll be right back. I'm done with my brows and I'm going to go straight into eyeshadow. Today I just want to change my method of doing my makeup. Usually I do my skin first. I come do my eyeshadow and brows, or brows and eyeshadow. But today I want to change it. I want to do my brows, my eyeshadow, then I go to skin. I don't do my eyeshadow first because my eye is very watery and it can just ruin my entire look. After I'm done with eyeshadow and I go ahead to do my skin, before I come back, water is all over my eyes. That's why I don't do. But sometimes when I feel like my eye is going to be good to me, I just want to try. Let's just hope I don't cry today. So I'm priming my eyelids with a concealer, the same concealer I used in cleaning my brows. I'm going to set it in place. This is already a very nice eyeshadow. Let's just apply liner and we're good to go. My palette is broken, but this is the Sarat Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this green shade, just a little bit. I just want a little of that green definition in my outer area coming to my crease, so I'll just put a little bit. This shadow is very pigmented. I didn't want anything all over the place. Let's bring the same thing here. Am I the only one who always gets like one eyeshadow very correct, the other one a mess? Because sometimes I do eyeshadows and right now, see, I feel like this one is way higher than this. I don't know what causes that, but at the end of the day, we're gonna make it look very nice and good, similar as well. I think this is okay. We're going to pick up which shade should I use? Which shade should I use? We're going to pick up this shade. I'm going to use that to blend the green out and use it like a transition shade. Just on the outer area. We're not coming in, just there. This is looking nice. Let's do same here. Please be good to me like this eye. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Down. down, down. If you're a beginner and you're learning how to blend eyeshadow together, start by blending it in circular motions. Don't use any other blending method. Just use the circular motions. It will be perfect for you. I wanted to do like a blue shimmer on the eyes, but I don't know. I'm trying to change my mind. I want to do this one instead. Yeah, I'm going to go with this. So I'm picking the one on the back of the cover, dusting off excess, and then slightly tap it on my... Oh my god, this looks nice. Why does it look like the vibe I wanted it to give is not giving me that kind of vibe? It's going to come together. It's going to come together. It's going to come together. By the way, this is the Inglot eyeshadow pigment. This is in the shade 76. Yeah, you don't have to pick up too much. It's just going to spread out very nicely. I'm just hoping the way it's looking on here in my mirror is translating like that in the camera, because sometimes it can be a mess I'm doing here, but here it looks perfect. Let's go back in, use the same brush I used in picking up the green. Just going to blend the two together. I'm going to be using this Shaded Beauty eyeliner, kohl eyeliner, and this, guys, is like the Inglot gel liner. It's so pigmented, creamy, it lasts long. Let me just line my waterline with it. Let's move into the skin now. I'll come back and add some finishing touches on the eyes. My lips is feeling so dry. I'll use a Vaseline to nourish it. I'm using my Flawless Ivy primer. Today I'm not going in for like a dewy look because our makeup needs to stay in place when we go for these events and all that. So I'm going to be using the Meron Makeup Skin Prep. I'm going to just pick a little bit, then target areas I want the makeup to last long there, like, you know, problem kind of areas. It's literally like my T-zone. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to mix my foundation, and it's the same Miss Loretta and my Cheek Cosmetics. Let's blend our foundation in. As much as I'm going in for like full glam, I still don't like using the excess products. I'll still go in little by little. It just has to be glamorous, nice, but not necessarily extra. I'm using my Pineapple Cosmetics concealer. Blend it out. I'm going in for a little bit extra brightness under my eye, so I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Suede. Just a little bit here. I don't want anything too much. I don't want to be looking like a clown, a Christmas clown when I'm done. So right here is okay. I'm going to set it in place with my deep clean color powder. Guys, what are your plans for this holiday season? Do you have any plans of traveling? How do you intend to spend your Christmas and New Year? Let me know. It's not like I'm going to do something to help you, but let's just discuss about it, you know, because mine is just going to be work. I'm doing my usual skin makeup. So I'm going to pick up my Blossom powder and my puff, and then just set my entire face. I'm picking up the mocha shade from my Isa and Those palette to contour. This is very dark, so it's just a little bit goes a long way. I'm just contouring my nose and giving my nose a very cute bridge, because I have a very big nose and we need to contour. Blush changes your entire face and it makes your face look very nice. On days when I'm working on clients that do not even want extra makeup, they just want something quick, We just do some foundation, no concealer, you blush the cheeks, you give highlights, and guys, it's like you've done a whole routine on the person's face. It looks so nice. I mean, blush, unless I work on a client that says I don't want blush, and even that I look at you like, you don't want blush? Are you sure you don't want blush? Cause how can you say you don't want blush? How? I'm going to reverse contour because I want that cheekbone snatched. And I'm using my Blossom palette, the same one I used to set my face. I'm going to apply liner, and I'm using my Inglot gel liner in the shade 77. Let's do our wing now. I'm going to use these full lashes I got from J Lash Beauty. These are so beautiful. I'm going to prep it down and then go ahead to do my lips. For lips, I think a lot is going to go on the eyes, so I'm just going to keep it neutral. I'm going to use my Inglot black pencil. I love the definition the black liner gives to your lip. Go in with the Earth shade from Zico Cosmetics. I'm just going to use that to line my lips as well. Go in with the same Zico Nudes collection. This is in the shade brown. I'm using my Hagar and Esther highlighter. I'm picking up the darkest shade. I'm just highlighting my cheeks. I'm going to use my Inglot Sparkling Dust highlighter just to add like, I want to see like a very nice glow. I don't want too much, just a little, because this is so light. Yeah, I'm finally seeing what I want to see. Oh, I used so much. Yeah, oh my god, let's blend it out. I'm going to use the same thing on my nose. Let's fix our lashes. This is the final look, guys, and I love how this look turned out. I hope you also did. If you did love this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Join the family. We'd love to have you here. Leave all your comments, your video requests, suggestions, and everything in the comment section below. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the handle right here. The handle is already in the description, but I'm also going to leave it here so that you follow me. You connect with me on everywhere. Okay, I'm also on TikTok, so TikTok and Instagram, same handle. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.